Hi again. It's me.
Today, we're doing a challenge on Fortnite.
Okay, do the intro.
Challenge today is
If I
playing
die.
Fortnite until
Oh,
I die.
if I
Yep,
die.
that's the one.
Alright, do it in
The
the
video
real life
ends.
challenge. Oh.
Oh shit.
Hey.
Can't say that.
Alright, let's land.
Can't say that. Up to towers?
Always.
Junction, huh? Just also the best hotspot. Hot drop to win.
Butter just said
Solid.
junction is the best.
What if you die in the first 2 seconds?
Perfect.
Like quick, so I can go to sleep
Whoops.
faster.
Yeah, it's not like we're recording at 4 in the morning.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Who would do such a thing? Fucking brain dead.
Let's drop his ass.
What are you brain dead from?
I'm not a professional player, okay?
No, you are. You're the best player of all time. Like, what do you mean?
Bro, I'm literally ninja. I know.
Yeah, like, look, you better land Tilted Towers in Season 5 right now. You better drop a dunk on everyone. Or you're, nice. Oh. There's a gun right there. Oh, damage.
Why is this lag? Is that a gold bird?
Hey, gold from us? Already? Oh. Good shots.
Preach, man. I worked hard on this.
No, I seen that.
Someone's pushing. Yeah, come here, pussy.
Show him who's boss. Show him. Show him.
None of that, man. Oh, pussy.
What?
Don't think I can't see you, buddy.
Wait. Oh, what a great kill by.
I'm cold.
Yes,
Wait,
man.
let me hit the...
Gritting on him is
Oh.
always hitting is devious.
What?
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 Yo, what the fuck did I see? Yo,
This
this fucking ass. Oh, I can't say that.
I think that's fine.
Can you call something? Can you call another game ass? Is that like copyright?
Oh, I have
Bro, say
music
top
playing.
right.
I don't think I could publish this. No, I'm cooked.
No, you can just beat the music. No, it's fine, bro. It's not like you earn money anyways.
The entire video will get muted.
Oh, fuck. One tap. Hey! Oh, wait, you hit him? Okay, that didn't look like you hit him. That did not look like you hit him. I can't lie.
I don't think I did.
No. The hit rag in this game is terrible.
Where's all the good people at? I don't want the video to end now. If I win this game, I might just jump off the bridge.
Bro, if you win this game, you have to do another game. Oh my god.
We're all very clear.
No capper. No Cappington.
They call me moist critical, dude.
Alright. Oh yeah, above you. My guy's leaving. Are you scared? RPG. Bang! He's dead. 116. What? That's not fall damage? Sorry. Oh, more shield, huh?
Oh, W
Oh,
bells.
one by one.
I'm so ass.
Fucking. Yeah.
Well, who's watching you still, bro? Damn, he wants you, bro.
I don't want
Yes.
to win. These kids are ass. I don't want to make it look like I want to lose. I do.
20-minute video.
It's not like I'm gonna get views.
What do you mean?
What?
What? Yo, your ass.
Peek me, pussy. That I'm
Your
really.
ass.
I might actually be.
Oh, your ass. Oh. Double stairs, meta. Double stairs. What?
I swear, I'm not doing this on purpose.
Yo, are you playing against bot lobbies?
I
Yo.
might be in bot lobbies right now. I mean, Fortnite's full of
Yeah,
bots
just-
anyways. It's
Oh,
gonna
you're on
be
level 7.
What was that? Oh,
End of the. E4.
What
Okay.
the fuck is this?
Okay.
Oh.
What does a guided missile over there?
Where you at, pussy?
Who? It's the bait.
Where the fuck is this?
Oh. 352. Crack. 1 HP. One's the ones.
Oh.
He's going above you. He's cracked. Full box. Your box. Your box.
90s.
90s.
I don't know where he's at.
He's using his guided missile against you. RPG that shit. RPG.
Where is he? Stop being a bitch,
Under you. He's cracked. Break the wall. Yeah, he's really reloading, or regenning right now. He's running away from you. What the? Oh.
There's lag. This guy's
Yeah,
not
go.
worth my time.
Yes. He's in that box, bro. He's in that box, bro, for sure. What the f... Yo. Is this guy real?
Get the fuck out of.
I got my aura. Yo, he says emoting on it.
He deserves it. He is ass. He should not be losing that to me.
Yo, y'all don't have 20. Where's your med kit?
Wait, why am I getting?
Where's your med kit, gang? Yo, where's your med kit, gang? Did you have one earlier?
That's just bang gone.
Oh shit.
This is gonna be the laggiest.
Go find it.
Man, fuck it. I don't need it.
Man, fuck it. You're right.
What are we
Triangles.
what's my key? Why is it key? Why is my key slash? I don't even know. This video should not be this long. I should be dead by now. I'm bad at this game too. That's the worst part. Like ass poke. He'd glaze me. I don't know. I'm not good at this game at all. That's all I know. Oh wait, I forgot. I gotta talk in this voice. So guys, I'm not very good.
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Alright, there's
Real voice reveal.
real voice reveal.
Yo, how many subs to get a what the f?
There's some aim lessons,
How many
dude. What?
Oh, okay. Aim labs button. Yo, you ain't third party. You have to push him fast. Oh. 46. Missing your shots. Rover. Full box. You're missing again. He's ass. Oh my one. Bang. Full box dead. One more. Oh, GG's. Hey,
And that's the video, guys.
That's the video, guys.
make sure-
I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more daily Fortnite content. Bye. Oh, reporting the player now.
We're stream sniping.
Harassment, abusive gameplay.
Yeah.
Yep. And alright, see you guys.
Alright, that's the video, guys.